So where is the pelvic floor located? We have all talked about it a lot, but let's just go through that. The pelvic floor starts from the pubic bone at the front to the tailbone at the back. It actually attaches at the sides to our sitting bones, which are kind of really deep underneath, and it forms a horseshoe shape. And in this horseshoe, we have our back passage, our anus, our vaginal opening, and our urethra, which is where we go for a wee. And that is the floor of the pelvic floor. It's made up of 3 layers, 2 of which are really deep inside, and only by an internal examination can you actually feel them. The outer layer is what we are naturally more aware of because it's got nerve endings and more sensitivity. It's what we can feel moving when we go to the toilet. It's also where our vagina opening is, and it's where we get our pleasure from sexual function or sexual enjoyment. The pelvic floor is made up of lots of different things. It's made up of nerves and connective tissue and muscle and fascia. And this is going to be affected by all the different activities that we do in our life. It's going to be affected by pregnancy. 1/3 of women have some form of incontinence. And the biggest thing is that women do not consistently talk about it. I know out of the majority of women I treat that there is a degree of incontinence, and only when I specifically ask will women open up about this.